Hello guys, welcome to the Code Snippets channel. Today is the third video of our data types in Swift series. If you have not watched earlier videos, tap on the right corner to watch them. I have also added the links in description. Today we are going to discuss about Boolean data type, and in that topic we will find out about Bool data type, their use in conditional statements, and we will explore the role of Swift's type safety in Boolean implementation. So let's start. Swift has a basic Boolean type called Bool. Boolean values are referred to as logical because they can only ever be true or false. Swift provides two Boolean constant values, true and false. For example, we declare a constant called signal is green with the value of false, and a second constant called signal is red, and we will assign a value of true to it. The types of signal is green and signal is red have been inferred as Bool from the fact that they were initialized with Boolean literal values. Boolean values are particularly useful when you work with the conditional statements such as the if statement. For example, if we put signal is red in the if condition and we print for example stop the car in if part, and we print keep driving in else part, it will print stop car because we have declared signal is red constant with the true value, so this if condition will be true. Let's find out. So it has printed stop the car. Now let's find out about the type safety. Type safety prevents non-Boolean values from being substituted for Bool. Let's say take an example. We declare a constant called t with the value 4 and we put it in the if condition just like the constant signal is red. It will report an error. However, if we change that statement with something like that and we provide the comparison operator here, so that will compile successfully because that statement is of type Boolean, and so this second example passes the type check. This is all for Boolean types. I hope you will find it helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and then hit the bell icon for the latest video updates and share it with your friends and colleagues. Have a great coding day.